good evening. This is Home and Garden with Natalia. Beautiful night. So quiet and gorgeous. There is some lights on our road. And what I'm gonna show you tonight. As you can hear it, you probably can hear it, some waterfalls. Ta-da! So we're gonna come closer. What else do we have here? It's a fountain. So we got fountain and waterfall on our pond. Just look how it's dancing in the wind. So pretty, right? And let's look at our waterfall a little bit closer. Pretty. And there is a waterfall. Waterfall changing the color. Let's just enjoy for a minute. So what do you guys think? Pretty. Just gonna walk around and show from the side how it's gonna look. This is view from the side. Pretty cool, huh? So honey, do you wanna tell what kind of lights is that?
LED lights, they auto change, they're set on a timer, so they come on at dark and they turn off after 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours depending on the setting. I have lights, I have the fountain connected into that, and what other features we'll put on for night features. We'll have those going during the night hours. So everything will be photosensitive to keep the electric down. It'll only stay on for however long we want it, and then it'll shut off and won't come back on until the next morning. The red lights on the outside are actually solar lights. They're just spotlights that we had in the yard, so I put them there to give them a little bit different color. We don't know if we're gonna go with red or we're gonna go with white, we'll see. But we really like the waterfall, we like the lights. We still don't quite have them where we want them exactly, but we're still tweaking it. This will go further down, the fountain will go further to the right of the pond. Right now I've got it plugged in behind the waterfall. Once I run my electric down on the other end, and get my features down there, so I have my pump and everything down there. I'll plug it down there along with the lilies, and it'll all be together on that end. So it won't be quite as close in the future. Which gives you 2 water features, one on each side of the pool, or the pond, which is totally independent of one another and different. And it will create the aeration that the pond needs for the fish once we put the fish in. We're quite a ways away from the fish, and we're still going to do a lot more work on the pond. So, you know, we'll see where it goes from here, but we got a lot more stuff to do there.
All right. So this is, we just testing the water, as we're saying. And it is from this side a little bit. I'm gonna show you from right here, from the behind. This is how it looks. There is a kind of palm closing it. You don't really see really well. But this is how it is. It's all just testing what we like, what we don't like. And we'll see how it's gonna go. What guys do you think? Do you like it? Do you think we need to change something? Anything? Look at this. It's pretty, don't you think? Well, just let us know. What do you guys think? Please subscribe to our channel. It's on YouTube under Natalia Wilson. It's all about home and garden. Until next time, have a good night.